having a car confession. Shit, I feel like I'm having a car repentance. Man, I'm trying to get to Orange Theory, because I got a workout session. Dude, like, for real, this is like so crazy. I am trying to, you see, this is why I like going early. I should have been at the 10 o'clock class and not this 12 o'clock class. I have to drive straight, it's the one indicator. And I have to drive straight down Candler Road to get to the Orange Theory indicator. It's no way for me to do it but to go straight through Decatur to it just don't make no sense. And I only have a 5-minute grace period. It really only takes like 15, 16 minutes for me to get here. When I say it is absolutely ridiculous, the driving, how it's so disrespectful. This my energy muscle rebuilder, energy maximum strength, get it together, help me. Kim sent it to me from St. Louis. Well, she didn't send it from St. Louis. Kim is in St. Louis, and she went on Amazon and had them send it to me to get me together because she didn't want me to give up. I love my friends. My friends are so supportive in me, with me in my journey to be the best fit, beautiful, have the best body, the best me that I can be. And my friends are here for it, and I really appreciate them. Jacinth be on me. All my friends be on me. When last time you been to Orange Theory? When you working out? My friends work out every day, and it's so cool. Like, I woke up one day and everybody around me was on what I'm on. And listen, that's what this about. You need to be around people that's on what you on, because it makes a difference, man. Like, if I was around some fat donut eating, potato chip popping folks, that's my old crew. Sean Marie, I'm getting my gallon of water in. I got alkaline water. I got fitness rebuilder drinks. I got to get all this in before I get there. 5 minutes away. Oh, it's ridiculous and disrespectful how ignorant people drive on Candler Road. It's a beautiful day in Atlanta. The sun is shining. When I say people was weaving in front of me like this in car, just ridiculous. And then this lady straight cussed me out because I ran the light, because she was trying to run the light coming from the other way. Hold on, sir. You running the light, I'm running the light. I got somewhere to go to. She was cussing me out. I'm like, calm down, dog. We all illegal in this joker today. I mean, it's so disrespectful. People running all across the street in the middle of traffic. Oh my goodness, just ridiculous, man. Anyway, I'm trying to get my ass down here to Orange Theory so I can make it happen. Listen, honey. First of all, it helps when you have people around you that's what you want, because everybody around me is like all about exercise and being better. Everybody's just sharing tips and, oh, I bought this cream to go on my stomach. I'm drinking this now. And have you tried this herb and this and that? And it's real cool because it's encouraging and it keeps you going. And it keeps you on top of things. And then you ain't around nobody, or you just ain't getting the negative stuff. You ain't getting the stuff you don't need in as much. Like, you do it enough to yourself. Like talking to yourself, telling yourself crazy stuff. You already got to fight your own crazy self-talk. You don't need any so-called friends doing the same thing for you. So I appreciate the people that's all around me in my life, in my ear right now, male and female. No, I really appreciate it though, you know. And then like, I'm really on a journey to be the best me that I could be. And baby, when I tell you, I got the audition of a lifetime, I got booked for the audition of my lifetime. For right now, where I'm at, what I'm doing, it's one of my favorite shows. Of course, I can't talk about it, and I will not. I'm not telling anybody else about it, like what it is, because this is mine. When I tell you I got this, I ain't even talking about it.
Turn right onto Commerce Drive.
I'm not even talking about it. It's like it don't even exist, because it's mine. It's here. It's there. Oh, I'm so here for it. And I am going to be working out. What time is? Oh, it is Friday. Where these little kids going? Ain't number 12 o'clock. They out of school already? Dang. See, I be trying to do everything for the little kids come. Everybody that know me know I ain't really kid friendly and shit. Little kids running everywhere and be on my nerve. Anyway, I am going to be so present physically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally for this role. I'm so here for it. Woo! I don't even want to think about it no more. It's about to bring tears back to my eyes. When my agent called me yesterday, I was crying and shaking, because when I read the script, when I just seen the description, I was like, this me. This is, oh God. I'm so here for it. I'm so ready. And going to do this workout, cleansing my mind and everything. This is where we at. This what we doing. So I'm totally excited. If I hit one more freaking red light in this, where are these fucking kids coming from? All right, gotta get this in, go back home. I'm gonna do a food video. Today is collard greens. I'm making some greens. I keep a pot of greens on every week. It's good for cleansing. And I always want my G baby to know that her Gigi, fly, cute, young, always got a pot on. Baby, keep a pot on. You better have you a pot of beans and some greens and something going on. And then throw some cornbread with it, honey, please. We always gonna have some good eating and be able to feed, you know. And then put a little ginger in it and some herbs so that it's healing as well. That the broth. I'm chugging this energy drink. Oh my God, how long is this light in downtown Decatur? Like, you killing me. Okay.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
I totally know where I'm going. I like my little lady keep talking to me, so if I'm running my mouth doing a video, daydreaming,
Right, turn right onto Commerce Drive, then turn left onto
talking on the phone, I don't get lost, miss no turn, especially when I'm running late. But I'm about to go put these 55 minutes in and give it to them, man. I'm ready to get me some splat points at Orange Theory. I'm about to get my heart rate up.
Go past this light. Then at the next one.
About to get my heart rate up. I'm ready to burn some fat. Because I'm telling you, I want to be able to fit a 10 ball gown. So whatever that's looking like, a size 10 ball gown, you know, it don't have no stretch in it. That's what I want. I want to look good in a 10 ball gown. A size 10. Plus, I'm about to get a tummy tuck. Y'all, man. It's going to be nice and flat and tight. But I'm all for working out and all that. And I'm all for a nip tuck where a sister needed.
At the light, turn left onto West Ponce de Leon Avenue. Then the destination is on your right.
Alright, I'm about to jump all out like I done stole something. Cause I'm late for the class. I hate this stupid belt. Anyway, be around people that's doing what you want done, because it'll trickle down. So wherever you want to go, what you want to do, you want to friend up, you want to date up, you want to communicate and socialize up. Quit dating down. Quit friending down. Yeah, that's easy. Be with some people that's doing what you want done. Where is? Oh, I was about to turn. Oh, now I didn't drink so much water and stuff. I'm running in here. I'm gonna have to use the restroom. Oh, good. My little thing is on green. I've been charging my Orange Theory.
Destination is on your right. Orange Theory Fitness.
Arrived. Now I gotta run in this motherfucker. Oh, oops. I said I was gonna try to not use extreme curse words. I had to run in this joker and I have to hurry up and run in here. I gotta park, run in. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I gotta remember to take my glasses off. I'm about to park this big old joker or something. It probably say compact or something. I ain't studying about no compact cars. I got to get it in. I'm not good at backing up. Hey y'all, be intentional. Have a good day. Thank you. Now let's make it happen.